Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR Bonds. I'm Arjun Patsati. And in today's market highlights, HDFC, for its merger with HDFC Bank, is issuing 10-year bonds at 8% for rupees 11,000 crores. It's a very large amount of bonds. Before we continue, do not forget to register for our webinar, which is tomorrow, 27th of July, 4 p.m., where I will discuss about what bonds to avoid in this tricky economic and interest rate and credit environment. The registration is given in the description below. Register now for the webinar. Back to bond bytes. In the Gsec market, yields have come down while Sensex and Nifty fell. Rupee is steady on as markets sense RBI intervention. And in the corporate bond space, HDFC is clearly the largest issuer now at this point of time. So put it in perspective, where is 8% 10-year bonds of HDFC? It's very fine compared to, say, state development loans. The SDL loan auction today saw cutoff at 7.8%. And HDFC is just around 10 basis points above SDLs. So clearly and SDLs, as we all know, has RBI support in terms of repo as well as RBI also buys SDLs in the market. So liquidity is much better for SDLs. And Gsec yields again at 7.37%. So even just about 50 basis points for Gsecs, and with interest rate risk is still very high in the system. 11,000 crores at 8% is a very, very good rate for the issuer HDFC. It's a very good level for the issuer, and investors not very good levels, clearly, given that the spreads with both SDLs and Gsec is very low. Do not forget to download our app Quick Invest by INR Bonds, where you'll get the best curated bonds for investments through an easy in-app investment process, along with our own proprietary risk scores. You get the best returns on a risk-adjusted basis with a very easy in-app investment process. Download the app now. Thank you very much for listening in. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've not done so already.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR Bonds. Download the INR Bonds app to save better.